Hi friends, my name is Shyam and you're watching Shreya Computer Tech Channel. Friends, today is the good news for
Xiaomi Mi users.
Android Oreo 8.1 was released to these users. So friends, if you want to feel the Oreo 8.1 real experience, then you should follow these steps. Before installing this ROM, we need to enable 3 steps. Enable developer option, unlock bootloader, and the third one, install TWRP. Let us our device boot into TWRP recovery mode by pressing volume up and down and power button simultaneously. Then we have to take a complete backup before we flash custom ROM. Select backup. We have to choose boot, recovery, system, data and modem. After selecting these, swipe right to confirm. Press on back. Wiping our temporary data, it will allow us to cleanest install our custom ROM. Select wipe, select advanced wipe, select Dolby Not Cache, system, data and cache. Swipe right to take an action. We need to go to here to install stock ROM. By pressing back, here you may find install. Select Oreo 8.1. Friends, here I provide a latest version custom ROM and GApps which are suitable to your device. Please find in below description and you may download it. After selecting this Oreo 8.1 ROM, swipe right to install. Click on back option, select the GApps. Friends, here I will choose the nano version of GApps. The versions of suitable for this ROM, Pico, Aroma, Stock and Micro. After selecting these, swipe right to install. Before we proceed to reboot our system, we need to wipe a temporary data cache. Select the wipe cache and swipe right to wipe data. After finishing all steps, we need to reboot our system. Friends, here will take 2 to 3 minutes to reboot your device successfully, and I will show cool features are given in Oreo 8.1. Press on reboot system.